Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Yes, yes.
So we are paying 300 for two. We are in the Aqua Sports Camp now. We will do small kayak trip. We are just doing a registration.
Okay, so we have some snacks over there. Tea, fish. We can do some hiking.
If you want.
Explore
Yeah.
the place.
Yeah, we will.
We are done.
It was cool.
It was a disaster. It was nice, but
Check
it was
the wind.
it was very windy, so we were drinking salt water and it was so hard to paddle because we were going against the wind. So we just left. We wanted to stay longer and take photos of the birds or the place, but it was so windy and we were just a little bit unlucky. So we'll just drive around and see. Oh, there's another camp there. There's another camp.
I think you should put your seatbelt.
Yeah, okay. So are we doing this again? We may do it again, but we should check the wind, the tides also, so we can do the mangrove channel. And well, see you next holiday.
Adventure.
See you in our next adventure or in our next public holiday. Bye. Bye bye. Ow! Ow!